Like this?
Hello.
Hi.
How's it going?
Great. How's the 4th of July?
What's up? How are you doing?
Hi, good.
What you doing out here?
Why doesn't that hurt your eyes? Why get fireworks?
Woo! What up, dog?
What's up? 4th of July, 2010.
What you about to do?
Put out of your mouth, dude. Man, I tell you what, we have a good time out here. 4th of July, blowing stuff up,
Nothing better.
lighting it, smoking some of it.
Say, I love the USA.
I love the USA.
You know.
Oh, there's something on fire out there. Oh, it's Ashley.
That is on fire.
Wow, that's got some good height.
Yeah.
Are you guys working on your routine or what?
No, we gotta save that.
Something's so right.
Blowing the tip there. Like washed up. Well, probably,
Look at the crazy eyeballs.
Yeah. Oh, I almost thought it was a dud.
Yeah,